today. Today we are working on a 2006 Chrysler Town & Country with a 3.8 liter. And we are looking to do a serpentine belt and a pulley. So we've got a Continental serpentine belt. We actually were able to get this in a package. It's a whole Continental V-belt package. This is actually kind of cool. I don't know if it's got a number on the package, but let's see, where's the other part of the box? Yeah, here we go. So it's a Continental V-belt package. It comes with the belt, brand new tension pulley, and I forgot what this pulley's called, but the other pulley. Yeah. So we're about to go ahead and dig into this project and see if we can get this going. But first, we gotta take that wheel off on the passenger side. All right, guys, so under here is our tension pulley. So we're going to put a something in here that'll release the tension off the pulley so we can then remove the belt, which goes all the way around. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this screw, which lets us get our tension pulley out. And then we're going to just swap out this idler pulley. That's what it's called. I don't know why I couldn't remember the name. But we're going to go ahead and get our tool, because we tried to use a ratchet wrench, and ours, because it has this little piece out the back of it, won't fit. But we do have one of those tension pulley wrench thingies. So we're going to try that, or try our other small 3/8 ratchet. All right, let's see if we can try it. All right, guys, we've taken loose our tension pulley after we've gotten our belt off. So this feels like this is probably the original. So this tension pulley, this was a 1/2 inch. I used a 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench on that one. That was our 1/2 inch ratcheting wrench. And then on this pulley up here, this is a 15 millimeter. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off and then clean this little area up. All right, we got our old pulley here and our new pulley. Now I do see a difference. Let's see here. So these are basically the same. The only difference is this new one's got this tab on the end, which I guess helps with getting the tension off the pulley. So hopefully there isn't any clearance issues once we get this under here. Now this old one had a 1/2 inch, but the new one has a 10 millimeter bolt on the inside. And then on our idler pulley, here's our old one and here's the new one. You notice this hole's a lot bigger. So this new one comes with this little spacer thing here, because you have to reuse your old bolt from your old idler pulley. So as you see, that fits in perfect now. So we're gonna go ahead and put these back in, put the idler pulley in first. That gives us plenty of room, then we can get our tension pulley on. So we're gonna do that and then see if we got enough space between this little tab here and everything else under the car. Make sure there's no clearance problems. All right, guys, we got our new tensioner on. We got our new idler pulley on up there. And we got our brand new belt on. And so what this tab was for, so there's a spot here where you can put like one of your tools for a serpentine belt, but it gives you a second area here, which is the one I use, which was actually really convenient because this spot here is pretty close. I mean, this one is too, but it gave me a little bit more room out here to be able to go and pull up, and it pulled up pretty easily. So now we're gonna start our car, see how she sounds. All right, we fired her up. Everything sounds good, looks good. We got our pretty new idler pulley right there on top. Our tension right below it. So yeah, we're all set. So it was a pretty, I don't say easy, but it was a pretty simple job. Just took a little bit of time. Our old idler pulley came off really easy with our old tensioner. There was no tension in it, it was seized up. So we had to actually cut the belt off and then go ahead and remove those pulleys because there was no way to make that tensioner pulley bend so we can get it off easily. Yeah, so that's it. So for more tips and tricks, follow us up at Mechanic's Garage. Like and subscribe. Let us know if there's any other videos you'd like to see on, like a Chrysler Town and Country. So we seem to be working on this vehicle a lot. It always has like little, you know, onesie-twosie issues. But other than that, this thing's all set. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Peace.